equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the keyboard without damaging any components. First, power off your Lenovo ThinkBook 15 G4 AIP and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the base of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery connector. Disconnect the battery to ensure that there is no power running through the device. This step is essential for your safety and to prevent any accidental short circuits. Now, turn your attention to the keyboard. You will need to remove the screws that secure the keyboard in place. These screws are typically located near the top of the laptop, under the keyboard itself. Carefully use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove these screws, and remember to keep them organized. After removing the screws, use the plastic spudger to gently pry the keyboard away from the chassis. Start from one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. If you find it difficult, take your time and ensure you're not forcing it. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Once the keyboard is free, you will see a ribbon cable connecting it to the motherboard. Carefully lift the connector latch and gently pull the ribbon cable out. This step requires a steady hand, as you don't want to damage the connector. Now, take your new keyboard and align it with the connector. Insert the ribbon cable into the connector and secure it by pressing down the latch. Ensure it's firmly in place to avoid any issues later on. Next, position the keyboard back into its place. Press down gently until you hear it click into position. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the keyboard. Make sure they are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage. Now, reconnect the battery and replace the back cover of your laptop. Secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Once everything is back in place, power on your Lenovo ThinkBook 15 G4 AIP to test the new keyboard. Ensure all keys are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues or if the process seems daunting, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best advice for your laptop. Plus, with our quote before repair service, you'll know exactly what to expect before any work is done. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service at your doorstep. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.